Okay, so this is the advanced track of day 1 in which there are two topics, particularly fan victory and a simple segment tree. So I'm not going in detail as it is already discussed in it. That fan victory is a special data structure usually represent using an array general complexity of O log n, while in simple segment tree it's a special data structure that allow answering range query over any array effectively while still being flexible enough to allow modifying the array. Its general query is O log n, and there are two different approaches in solving a question based on this. And what is the difference? Fanvic tree versus segment tree. The difference is Fanvic tree, it takes very less time. If you are given a problem with tight time limits, then memory limits, then Fanvic tree will do the best. There are some problems which I mean all segment tree problems can be solved by Fanvic tree uh, also, but vice versa is not true. I mean the segment tree problems, some of the segment tree problems are not solved by Fanvic tree method. If also Fanvic tree is much easier to implement, so try and use it over segment tree where it is possible to use to solve a problem. Okay, now coming about talking about these resources, there are two blogs of CP algorithm and two videos by I think by Tushar Roy, and second one is the first one by of Fenwick trees by Tushar Roy, and the second one of segment trees by Gaurav Sen. So you can check this out. It is these both videos are very detailed, and you will definitely understand it after that. So I am sharing this link of advanced track in description. You can check that out.